Welcome to the world of snakes, where slithering creatures come in all shapes and sizes, and are often shrouded in mystery and fear. While many of us are familiar with popular snake species like the king cobra or the anaconda, the world of serpents is vast and full of surprises. In this video, we'll explore the 10 rarest snakes that you won't believe actually exist. These elusive creatures come from all corners of the world and possess some of the most unique and fascinating features you've ever seen. Surely the video is going to be quite interesting. So make sure to subscribe to our channel first and also hit the bell icon for more updates. Now get ready to be amazed as we journey into the hidden world of these rare and mysterious snakes. Number 10. Spider-tailed viper. The world is home to countless unique and fascinating creatures, and the spider-tailed viper is no exception. This extraordinary serpent inhabits the western region of Iran and boasts a tail that closely resembles that of a spider, complete with a bulbous tip and scaly markings reminiscent of arachnid anatomy. While the reasons for the viper's distinctive tail may not be immediately apparent, scientists speculate that it may serve as a clever means of attracting birds, making prey acquisition a breeze. Even though this snake's venomous bite can be dangerous to its prey, it poses no significant threat to humans. The spider-tailed viper is a prime example of how animals have adapted to survive in their unique environments. Number 9. White cobra. The name of this fascinating serpent comes from the unusual and beautiful hue it possesses, which can range from a delicate cream to a sparkling white. But don't let its graceful appearance mislead you. This cobra carries quite the lethal blow. Its venom is highly toxic, and exposure to it can put humans in grave danger. It is essential to handle all wild animals with the utmost care and respect, but it is especially important to do so when dealing with such imposing reptiles as these. If you find yourself in the presence of a white cobra in its natural habitat, remember to keep your distance and give it plenty of freedom to move around in. After all, it's safer to simply stand back and take in these wondrous animals' splendor from a distance. Number 8. Elephant trunk snake. This amazing water species is only found in Asia and New Zealand, which makes it a real gem among snakes. One of the things that makes this snake so special is that it doesn't have any poison, so you don't have to worry about it hurting you. But that's not all. The elephant trunk snake is also one of the few fully water snake species in the world, which makes it a very rare thing to see. These majestic animals can get as long as 8 feet, and their saggy skin and trunk-like look make them easy to spot. If you're lucky enough to see one, the way it moves through the water will amaze you. Because their skin is so loose, they can trap their food and move quickly and easily through the water where they live. And don't be fooled by how calm they seem. These hunters of the night are known for their surprise skills and ability to find food. Number 7. Paradise flying snake. You know that birds and insects can fly, but have you ever heard of a snake that can fly? Yes, you did hear correctly. The paradise flying snake is a snake that can glide through the air. It's like watching Mary Poppins, but instead of a hat, there are scales. Even though it doesn't have wings, the paradise flying snake can fly through the air. You might ask, how does it do it? It can control its glide and fly for long distances by flattening its body and wriggling from side to side. It's like a paper bird that can move and breathe. The paradise flying snake is not only amazing for how well it can fly, but also for how well it dresses. Its bright green and yellow scales make it stand out, but they also help it blend in with the trees and plants in its natural surroundings. Number 6. Double-headed snake. It is an extremely unusual occurrence, but a mutation in a snake's DNA could result in the animal having 2 heads. Now, having 2 heads can appear to be a fantastic attribute, but the snake does not profit in any way from having this characteristic. There is a possibility of conflict between the 2 heads about both the provision of sustenance and authority over the body. As a result, this snake has a greater number of challenges in the field than a typical snake does, which may result in a shorter lifespan on its part. Number 5. Hairy brush snake. This little guy's bright green to yellow colors may make it look cute and fuzzy, but don't be fooled by its looks. The poison from this snake is very dangerous. The hairy bush snake is the best example of how cute and dangerous can go together. This snake knows how to make a statement with its good looks and dangerous skills. If you ever see one of these snakes in the wild, make sure to give it the attention it needs, but do so from a safe distance. Number 4. Train and Ruxan's blind snake. The Rhamphoteuthlops is a small snake that is so rare, not only are there not many of them, but they are also shy and hard to find. These slimy snakes like to live underground, especially in Indo-Asia's flat soil areas. The unique parts of the Rhamphoteuthlops snake are one of the most interesting things about it. They have blunt nose that makes it easy for them to dig into the ground, and it's hard to tell where their head ends and their body starts. So good are they at hiding from both predators and scientists. Number 3. The Madagascar leaf-nosed snake. This stealthy snake is unique to Madagascar and can be identified by its distinctive leaf-shaped nose, which sets it apart from other species of snakes. You might be wondering what's up with the nose that's been described as looking like a leaf. However, many believe that it makes it easier for the snake to blend in with its surroundings, which in turn makes it simpler for it to ambush its prey when it isn't looking. And if we're being honest, if this snake can move with such stealth, it's probably a pretty decent hunter. Number 2. Green vine snake. The green vine snake is a true master of disguise. Its thin, bright green body fits in perfectly with the trees and bushes it lives in. This tree-dwelling animal is a skilled hunter that lives in parts of Asia. It eats small animals like lizards and frogs. But don't be fooled by the fact that its poison isn't dangerous. This sneaky snake is a true master of hiding. Its long, skinny body lets it move easily through the trees and strike quickly, taking its prey by surprise. It's no surprise that the green vine snake is such a good hunter. With its clever ways and amazing disguise, it's a natural wonder. Number 1. California red-sided gator snake. This slithering superstar is similar to your typical garter snake, but it has a sizzling twist that distinguishes it. A gorgeous scarlet stripe that runs down one side of its body. It's like Beyoncé of serpents, commanding attention with its bold and stunning appearance. It's like the Beyoncé of serpents. You most certainly do not want to pass up the opportunity to watch this diva perform. I guess that's all for today. So the next time you're out exploring the great outdoors, keep an eye out for these elusive serpents. Who knows, you might just be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of one of the rarest snakes in the world. Thank you for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to catch our next video, which we planned for you. You've got only 5 seconds, so act fast and don't miss out.